Let's first download and install the Boss Revolution app from Google Play Store. Once done, fire it up and let's start creating your account. If you already have an account, use the login option and proceed to this timestamp to start sending money. Let's proceed with the registration and verification of your account. Allow Boss Revolution to manage phone calls. I'll select allow for now. We can change the permission later, which I'm going to show you later. Select the country code where you live and where your funds will be coming from. Select the US phone code +1. Enter your US phone number here. Then click the Verify My Number button. You will be receiving a verification code on the number you entered. Enter the 6-digit code here. Allow Boss Revolution to access your contacts. I'll select Allow for now. You will now see the home page of the app. Click Send Money icon. We can now select where to send money. You can send it anywhere, but for this tutorial, I select the Philippine Peso, which means that any currency sent to the recipient will be converted to Philippine Peso. Boss Revolution will now ask if we would like to allow it to access our device's location. I'll select Allow for now. Boss Revolution boasts a better conversion rate and cheap transfer fees compared to the most popular international money transfer services like Zoom, MoneyGram, Western Union, Ria Money Transfer, and World Remit. I will be transferring $1,000 and in real time, you can see the amount to be converted to Philippine Peso. Below that, you can see the conversion rate. Click the next button. Boss Revolution provides two options to send money. Our recipient can receive money by going to money transfer outlets or through banks. If you like to use cash pickup, these are the options available. If you like to deposit through a bank, click Bank Deposit. And these are the banks you can choose from. After selecting a bank, choose from these options here and type your bank account details. I will use the cash pickup option to send money, but I'll select SM Malls as it is one of the most accessible places. Enter the details of the recipient here, such as their first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Type your recipient's address in these fields below, and then click Next to review the details you have entered. On this page, you will have the chance to review the amount you will be sending, the amount to be received, the conversion rate, the transaction fee, the final total amount, and the promo code in case you have fun. You can also review the other details below, like the purpose of this transaction, details of the recipient, your details as the sender, your payment details, and the delivery method you selected. You will also receive notifications for this transaction. Click the notifications for more information on how the notification will be sent to you. And then finally, you can find the terms and conditions here. If you want to edit information, just click Edit on the top right-hand side of a section. Click Continue if all details are correct. Add your card details here and then your billing address here. Click the Add button to add this payment method. After this, you will be able to proceed to the final steps. Confirm sending your money to your recipient. In this part of the tutorial, we will be changing or removing the permissions for the Boss Revolution app. Find the settings, type the App Manager, find the Boss Revolution app, open it and click Permission. You can change the permission in this area from allowed to either ask every time or not allowed. So there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!